To get started with the KNX IoT, the BACnet IP gateway, first connect it to mains power. After plugging in mains power, we can see the LEDs of the gateway light up, and also the left power LED starts to blink green. After a few minutes, the left power LED is constantly green. Now our KNX IoT to BACnet IP gateway is fully started up, and we can proceed with the next step and connect to the local web UI. To connect to the local web UI, open the Wi-Fi settings on your computer and look out for the Wi-Fi network KNBA, followed by an individual identifier. We select it, connect to our KNX IoT to BACnet IP gateway. Now we are successfully connected to our gateway, and as a next step we open up our web browser and enter the standard IP address of the gateway 192.168.8.1. We get the screen shown, your connection is not private. We can press advanced and proceed to 192.168.8.1. Now we access the local web UI of our KNX IoT to BACnet IP gateway for the first time and are prompted to enter a new password. You can also see that we are required to comply with the password guidelines, at least 8 characters, uppercase, lowercase, special character and 1 digit. In our example, we will use Siemens 123 exclamation mark and confirm with pressing next. As a next step, we are also asked to secure the local Wi-Fi network from the KNX IoT to BACnet IP gateway. We will use the same as we use for login into the web UI and press submit. The local Wi-Fi of our gateway is now restarting, secured by the new password we assigned. Thus, we open the Wi-Fi settings and connect to our gateway again. We enter the assigned password, Siemens 123 exclamation mark, press next to establish the Wi-Fi connection. Now we are connected again to our gateway, enter the IP address and access the local web UI of the gateway. In the home screen, we can see the major settings: thread, WLAN, BACnet IP and Ethernet. We can access those areas either by pressing directly on the hyperlinks on our home screen or via the menu on the side. In the devices menu, we can commission devices, see the thread mapping and topology, and also manage firmware upgrades. In the network settings, we can adjust the settings for Ethernet, for example, static IP, BACnet, for example, the BACnet network, WLAN and thread. And in the system settings, we can assign a new password, adjust date and time, and backup, restore the gateway, as well as initiate firmware updates.